Hi folks, this is Rick on a late night emergency call about midnight. Was called because this homeowner rents their property off here, their house, but they have two water leaks. So, as I investigated the water leaks, I found my battery's low. Oh well, let's see what we got here. Some light. There's some light. Okay, here's what I found. Hi folks, it's been a long day. So it's after midnight, about 12:30. Emergency call. They just had this unit serviced by somebody, but they didn't check the drain. So there's a lot of water on the floor here because the drain was clogged and migrated underneath that wall down into the bedroom downstairs. So it's doing good now. I've cleared the drain line. It comes from the air handler, the A coil right here. Comes down, and it was probably this that got clogged. There was a lot of dirt and sediment that came out of it. So this is all done. Then I had another leak downstairs in the refrigerator. The drain got clogged, and the water ran onto the floor and ran down into another bedroom. I'll show you the damage it did. Here's the ceiling. Let's see if I get some more lights on here. You can see the stain on the ceiling. And it's a pretty good leak. This is from the air conditioner that was just serviced yesterday, I think. But they missed the drain. It can happen. You wouldn't think it's going to clog, but it did. You can see this big stain on the ceiling. Looks pretty bad. Might need a new piece of sheetrock. Then the refrigerator has a frozen drain, and the water leaked out. Okay, there is a piece of ice right there, and the drain got plugged for the defrost. There's a piece of ice right there. This whole bottom was full of ice because the drain is completely frozen shut. So, and there's ice underneath here too. There's a big piece of ice. Underneath here. There it comes. All right. That was underneath the tray. So water had nowhere to go, so it just migrates all over in here. So I'm going to boil some hot water. Now I'll clear this drain out. Yep. I'll take care of that. Let's show you the damage. Okay, now we'll go downstairs. It's all full of ice. Get rid of the ice. And they have some guests in their home, yeah. There we go. Good. All right.
Yeah.
So the water migrated down to this bedroom downstairs.
Yeah, yeah. That's where I live.
I'm sorry. Hello.
No worries.
Okay, just doing a video for my YouTube. Okay. There we go. Okay, all good? Okay, I got